This is New York, capital of the world, city of dreams. And we are NYSUT, America's largest statewide union, nearly 700,000 strong.
When we speak,
the world listens.
This is New York.
And this is New York. And this is NYSUT.
And this is NYSUT.
And this is NYSUT. We represent the biggest, best, and most diverse collection of working people in the country. Our size and strength means our voices are heard in the halls of power, so we can protect the smallest moments. This year alone, NYSUT secured millions in school funding and fought plans to cut school budgets.
Let's go!
We fought back against the scourge of obsessive testing, and we delivered big changes to APPR. We saved SUNY Downstate Hospital from closure, and we improved the final average salary requirement for Tier 6, the biggest pension reform in 20 years. We're using union power to tackle some of society's biggest challenges, combating child poverty and hunger, addressing the effects of smartphones and social media on our children. Last year, we won big in school board and budget elections, with 85% of NYSUT-supported pro-public school candidates winning across the state, including 75 NYSUT members. And we're hitting the road to visit communities throughout the state. NYSUT officers visited over 200 schools this year alone to hear from our members what's most important to you and your communities.
It's getting time. We need air conditioning. This is unhealthy.
And we're growing our power by organizing new unions around the state, all while doing the core work of the union, creating safer working conditions, improving students' learning conditions, protecting members' rights, and negotiating contracts.
When do we want it?
Now!
All of this is possible because we stand together, 700,000 strong.
Union strong.
We are the best of New York.
The best of New York. The best of New York.
We are the best of New York.
Together, we get things done.
When we stand strong together, we win. Our students win. Our communities win. Together, we're making the world a better place. Together,
We are NYSUT.